Okay children, let's do the very interesting exercise. Before going into the exercise, let's read the heading carefully. Look the picture carefully children. Read the words aloud. We want to read the words aloud. If the word ends with the letter A sound, you want to color the box in orange color. Okay, if the word ends with E sound, if you get a E sound from the word, you are going to color the box with green color. But I am going to, for orange, I am going to make a shade. Okay, for a green, I am going to put a check box like this. Okay children. Okay, let's go to the exercise. First we are going to read it out each and every word loudly. Then we are going to find it out which the word which letter it ends. For example, see this is a stray, not a stray, it's a stray. You are getting a sound. Ugly means bad. Ugly, getting a E sound. Ugly. This is chilly, E sound. Spray, E sound. Daily, this is E sound. This is clay, E sound. This is jelly, E sound. This is J, E sound. This is 20, E sound. Bay, like a Bay of Bengal. Bay, E sound. Ray, E sound. City, E sound. Okay, so far we have finished the first two steps, isn't it? We have pronounce each and every word loudly, and we just find it out the ending word also. And the second step, we are going to do the second step. If the A sound means we want to color it orange, but I am going to make a shade. Just I am going to make a diagonal lines like this. Okay, I am going to make a diagonal line. This is a diagonal line. I am going to make a diagonal line. Okay, for a E, if the word having a E sound, if it ends with the E sound, I am going to make a check box like this. Check box, small check box. Okay, and here also E, I am going to make a check box like this. This is a check box. Okay children, do you saw this check box in your dresses, isn't it? Some dresses will have this design, check box. Check. Okay, this is A sound. Okay, this is a A sound. Then I am going to put a diagonal lines like this. This is a diagonal line. Just put it lightly. Okay, next, this is a E. If E means what I am going to put? Yes, I am going to put a check box. Okay, next word, clay. What is the A sound? So I am going to put a diagonal line. Very nice, diagonal line. Just put it randomly like this. Okay, next word is jelly. It's the word ends with E sound. If E sound, what I am going to put? Yes, I am going to make a check box. Okay, I made the check box. And the next one, J. You are getting a sound. Isn't it? The word ends with A sound. If the word ends with A sound, you want to put a diagonal line, isn't it? Diagonal. You want to put a diagonal line like this. Okay, let's see the next one. This is E sound. This is E sound. If you are getting E sound, what I am putting? Check box, isn't it? Check box like this. Small check box. Okay, bay, bay, A sound. So I am going to put a diagonal line like this. Diagonal. Okay, this is ray, ray. You're getting a sound at the end of the word. So I'm just putting the diagonal lines. Diagonal, 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 diagonal line. Okay, this is city. I'm going to put what? Checkbox or diagonal line? City. Yes, the word end with E sound. So I'm going to make a checkbox. Check box. Okay, let's see the remaining 4 letters also. Okay, here the 4-letter word is given. Okay, this is the above same process will follow for these word also. This is say, say. You're getting a sound. This is N-A-Y, nay, nay. A sound. If you have A-Y at the end of the word, then it definitely gives the A sound. Okay. This is copy, copy, E sound. Copy. This is very, very. This is E sound. Okay. If A sound, what will we do it? Yes, we will just put a diagonal like this. Okay, this is nay, nay, having a sound. So I am going to make a diagonal. And this is copy, copy. You are getting a E sound at end of this word. So I am going to put the check box. Okay, this is very. You are getting a E sound at end of this word. So I am going to put a check box here. Check, 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 check box. Okay, okay. Let's revise one more time. This is stray. S-T-R-A-Y. Stray. This is ugly. U-G-L-Y. Ugly. This is chilly. C-H-I-L-Y. Chilly. This is spray. S-P-R-A-Y. Spray. Daily. D-A-I-L-Y. Daily. This is clay. C-L-A-Y. Clay. This is jelly. J-E-L-L-Y. Jelly. This is J. J-A-Y. J. This is 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. This is bay. B-A-Y. Bay. This is ray. R-A-Y. Ray. This is city. C-I-T-Y. City. This is say. S-A-Y. Say. This is nay. N-A-Y. Nay. This is copy. C-O-P-Y. Copy. This is very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Okay, children. So far we have learned the word which gives a sound and which gives a E sound, and we differentiate these two sounds of the letter using the diagonal lines and the check boxes. Now you can understand what are the word which gives the A sound and what are the word which gives the E sound. Okay, did you understand? Okay, let's do the next exercise. You can understand very betterly.